In the small town of Avonlea, an inspiring story was unfolding, a story of faith, determination, and the unwavering desire to succeed. At the heart of this tale was Jeremiah, the pastor of the local church, who believed in a unique approach to achieving success, teaching through biblical principles. Jeremiah was known not only for his deep understanding of the scriptures, but also for his innovative methods of integrating faith and discipline into the community's everyday life. He often held workshops in the modest church hall, drawing townspeople from various walks of life. These sessions were more than mere sermons. They were engaging and interactive, focusing on real-life applications of biblical teachings. If one were to observe the gatherings, they'd note an air of excitement as participants eagerly listened and shared their own journeys. One evening, Jeremiah stood in front of a full house. With the room lit by the warm glow of lanterns, he began with a tale from the book of Proverbs, emphasizing wisdom and understanding. "Success," he quoted, "comes from consistent effort, guided by faith and honest toil." As he spoke, he didn't just recite verses, but unraveled their meanings, relating them to business, family, and personal goals. Elena, a young entrepreneur in the town, was captivated by these teachings. Her small bakery was struggling amidst financial hurdles. She took Jeremiah's words to heart, especially the lesson on perseverance from the story of Job. Inspired, she incorporated biblical principles into her business practices, serving her customers with kindness, working diligently, and treating her employees with respect and care. Slowly, but surely, Elena's business began to flourish. Her pastries became sought after, not just for their taste, but for the warmth and positivity her shop emanated. Jeremiah's teaching permeated through Avonlea, transforming lives as people embraced their unique paths to success. Farmers, shopkeepers, teachers, all implementing faith and discipline in their daily endeavors, finding fulfillment and growth. The town itself seemed to blossom with a renewed spirit of collaboration and hope. Jeremiah's impact grew beyond just teaching about success. It was a movement that combined spiritual nourishment with tangible, real-world outcomes. His story serves as a reminder that success, when rooted in sincerity and guided by biblical principles, is not only attainable, but enriches the soul and the community as a whole.